Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating a library and an event, then import your clips, drag folders, or use file import. Choose optimized media or generate proxies if playback will be choppy, because proxies speed editing without affecting final quality. Set your project's resolution and frame rate now so timelines match source footage. This prevents scaling and re-rendering later. Once done, skim clips and add favorites or reject tags to mark usable footage. Make sure you organize with keywords and folders to save time during assembly. You build a rough cut on the primary storyline, placing clips in the order of your story beats. Use ripple and roll edits to tighten pacing quickly. Then refine with the trim tool and precision editor to nudge frame-accurate timing and enable snapping so clips align cleanly. Make compound clips for multi-clip sequences to keep the timeline tidy, and apply color correction and audio leveling clip by clip so every section reads consistently. Once you finish this middle pass, render background tasks while you prep transitions and titles. You finalize by checking continuity, adding titles and approve transitions, and baking heavy effects if necessary so playback is smooth during export. For delivery, use Share Master File for full quality or choose an Apple device's preset for web. Pick a codec and bitrate that balance size and fidelity. Export a short test clip first to confirm settings. If something goes wrong, relink missing media, delete render files to force fresh renders, or regenerate proxies. These steps usually resolve corruption and export errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.